Hello guys, I made this video about the in-game sound of Black Squad. We all know how sound is very important in FPS games. I made it very simple so you guys can see the distances of the different sounds. All videos were recorded with the enemy in the middle of the site, so you can use the distance that is under the letter of the site as a reference. The sounds are not affected by obstacles. Doesn't matter if you have a wall or a box between you and the source of the sound. It's the same with an obstacle or without it. You'll see that at 15 meters you cannot hear the footsteps. You start listening to them at 14-ish meters. You'll be able to hear the plant or the diffuse at about 24 meters, really close to 23. Bear in mind that the distance you can hear the sound of the plant is the same distance as you can hear the diffuse. "23 meters is the distance you'll hear the drop and the pickup. You can hear someone shoot from 48-49 meters with no silencer. If they have the silencer, you'll hear the gun from 38-37 meters. It's gonna be around 15 meters for the reload. So basically you can hear the switch between guns, whether it's a sniper, a pistol or a rifle. What you cannot hear is the switch between grenades and the switch to knife. But if you switch to a knife or to a grenade, you'll be able to hear the switch back to guns. You're gonna hear the switch at around 9 meters. Now, on jumps, you have the moment you jump, which is the first video, and the moment you hit the floor, depending on how high you are, which is in the second video. In the second video, the enemy is dropping at around 2 to 3 meters of the middle of the site, so we're gonna count with that. What you're gonna see in the first one is that the moment you jump up can be heard from around 19 to 20 meters. I've tested this with different heights, and the distance of the sound when the enemy hits the floor is the same regardless.